Rain falls heavy, it paints the sky slow. Drops tap the rhythm where the heartbeats go. Neon puddles glowing like a hidden spark. Dreams come alive where the sidewalks arc. Umbrella skies spinning round like kaleidoscopes. Each drop hits me, filling me with crazy hopes. Streetlights whisper secrets in a liquid haze. A cozy chaos wrapped in water's embrace. Let it pour, let it flood whole galaxies. Every drop a portal, vivid fantasies. Soak me whole in this endless rainy play, dancing through the colors of the cozy gray. Clouds like blankets wrap the city tight. Streaming glow, the rain soaks up the night. People blurring through this dreamy parade. Every step a ripple that the raindrops made. Let's swirl through streams, chasing every spark. Raindrops feel electric even in the dark. Oh, this love's a canvas painted by the storm. Fingers trace the chill, but you keep me warm. Let it